It's a tiny mouth. Think of my tiny mouth. I have a tiny tongue, Juicy. It's so tiny. It's so small. You try it. Oh, come on, try it. Try it. Tiny little feet. It's a tiny head. Tiny fingers. You try it. Good.
I'm not
No.
Tiny smiley face.
Come here. You try it. See, talk with the tiny mouth.
No.
Talk with the tiny mouth. Oh my gosh, you're like tiny. Look at how small you are. You try. You do it. Good.
What?
You can do it.
No, I don't want
Talk
to do
with
it.
a tiny mouth.
You talk with a tiny mouth.
Tiny mouth. It's a tiny mouth. It's a tiny mouth.
I feel like huge compared to your head.
It's just so funny. It's just such a tiny mouth. and then I have like a tiny tongue. I have such a tiny tongue. Look at me.
Oh my god.
I am having too much fun with this thing. Wait for it.
Oh wow.
Oh my gosh. You see how big it is? Like, whoosh.
Oh wow.
Ooh, talking
So
with the
funny.
tiny mouth. I think in my tiny tongue. I think how small it is. Oh my gosh, look how big my head is. Look how big my hair is. It's like like Medusa. Oh my gosh. Look at me. No, Amanda, come here. Look at my head. I know that it's recording. Look at my head. It's a tiny tongue and a tiny mouth. Look how big. Look how defined my thinking is. Look at it. I can see myself think. It's like lag. Look, I'm tiny. Wee. Look at my hands. Look at my hands and my arms.
Brian says I have hot friends.
Okay. What? Who's that?
He's my cousin, brother, person.
Oh my gosh.
You are ripped, girl.
I know. It looks so tiny. And then my arms are like huge. Ooh, yeah. Now I'm like a skinny white kid. Look at me. Look at how tiny my arms are. Tiny arms. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's so weird. Look, Amanda, look.
You look like an Egyptian doing this.
Ninja. Look. I'm so small. And then my arms are so big. It's like a bird. It's not like I'm ripped, it's like I'm fat. Look at it's like my fat flaps are gonna carry me away. I'm gonna catch wind and be like whoof. And then I have this tiny body which makes me aerodynamic. It's like oh my god. Stick your finger in there and it's like oh my gosh.
He says you're hot.
What? No, look what this looks like.
So first Caleb's starting with you, now Brian's singing.